What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Max Boneyard Builds. I always told you if I pick up a new toy, I'll share it with you. So I actually picked up a Hyper Tough HT300, a OBD scanner. I wanted something that I could just keep in the truck or keep in my tool bag or whatever. So if a friend asks for help or something, I'm not trying to use a dongle and Bluetooth it to my phone, and it may not have good connectivity or whatever, or say I don't want to, use my phone so that way it's freed up. I wanted something with a screen, plug in, go, super simple, nothing fancy, no two-way communication or nothing, just real fast, check a code, see what it's saying. So Walmart had these suckers on sale, and I think I had a little money left on a gift card. Cost me next to nothing, but I'm just going to show you guys real quick. I actually had to use this just last month. My wife's minivan started running super rough. Instead of grabbing a big scanner or a Bluetooth dongle or whatever, I just, boom, plugged this in. I knew what the codes were within literally 30 seconds. So we're just going to plug it in here on the old 07 Silverado, just to let you guys see what it looks like. I'll throw in a few screenshots of the what a code looks like, because I think I still got those on my phone from whenever I check my wife's and stuff. And this thing's pretty cool. There's actually an app you can get to where you can Bluetooth this little baby over to your phone, and say you got a PO300 or whatever it is. That app actually gives you a few diagnoses of what it may be, problems to look at. It gives you an idea of where to start. It's not a foolproof, hey, this is exactly what your problem is, but it'll give you an idea of where to start. Maybe a fuel injector, or maybe a catalytic converter, or maybe a throttle sensor, whatever the circumstance is. There's 1,000 different codes. So I'm just going to plug it in, run through, let you look at the screen and stuff. It's nice and visible. This thing is super small. I mean, it is, just keep it in the glove box, keep it in your armrest, whatever. Bam, it takes 2 seconds, plug it in, and it's good to go. So let me get you turned around. I'll let you check it out, and you make your own determination. I like it. All right, guys, so we're going to fire up the old Silverado here. Of course, I'm trying to do this one-handed, as always. So wasn't planning on shooting a video, but just kind of felt like doing it. So anyways, grab your OBD connector, find your OBD port, plug that baby in. It automatically starts connecting. Let me zoom this baby in here. There we go. As you can tell, it automatically starts linking. Only takes a few seconds. And now we are paired up. And it's telling you, hey, if you get the app, I can help you out a little bit further, whatever. So then it automatically scans for any emissions codes, your mill lights, your check engine lights. As you can see, this one doesn't have any on it right now. So it's good to go. But then you can go through here, and then your red button, that's going to erase all your codes. And then down here is your DTC button that tells it to scan for DTCs. And then what's really cool is you can go in here, and your LD is your live data button. So now you can go in here and you can actually see what your live data is. So this is actually kind of cool. If I want to, like the LS swap or whatever, if I want to drive around, I can actually see what the load is. You can keep scrolling through. Let me see some other good data that you may want to look at. You can look at your map pressure. You can look at your engine RPMs, and you can see it's live data. Hopefully you can hear the truck. It's behind it just a second. It's got to read it, then throw it up. But you can check your live data. Obviously your vehicle speed, I drove around with it plugged in. Your vehicle speed picks up just fine. It obviously shows your timing. You know what I mean? But I'm just telling you, it's super cool. It threw up the codes for my wife's van whenever it was giving us fits. Threw them up, no problem. Gave us an idea what to look for in that. Honestly, the HT300, it's a color display. everything's good to go with it, man. You can actually go through battery alternator test, LED definitions, monitor icons. I mean, it's super easy. I'm not going to go through every single one of these and just, you know, bore you guys. You can adjust the beep, you can adjust the brightness, you know, whatever. But man, it's just a super simple handheld. I mean, that's the size of my hand. I mean, it's like literally 3/4 the size of my hand. It's super small, plugs in, automatically connects. It tells you what your code is, and then if you want, you can even Bluetooth it to your phone, get the app, and it gives you an idea of what it is. And I think it's like $30-something. I'll try and get a price, stick it down in the description. New toy I got. I told you if I get a new toy, I'll let you guys come along for the ride, make your own determination. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted something small, super simple, keep in the truck, not have to rely on Bluetoothing, not have to rely on using my phone. So I got my phone freed up if I want to. You know, all it takes is boom, plug it in. What's my code? What's my problem? That's all I was looking for. And this thing, it does exactly what I wanted it to do. So I just wanted to show you guys the old Tough HT300 for somewhere in the $30-$40 range, I think it was. It does exactly what I wanted to do. And if you guys need a super simple OBD scanner, I suggest you pick it up. And this one's nice because it has that live data feature, you know, especially if you're doing some modifications to your car or something and you want to drive around and you just want to see if exactly what's going on. This is little bitty guy. You don't have to carry a big laptop around or nothing with you, and it carries your RPMs and your vehicle speed, and you know, I mean, it goes through. There's 26 different ones, as you can see, and it just picks them all up, and it's all live right there in front of you. So hope you guys like this one. It's a real quick one. Tough HT300. It's a win in my book. So there you go, guys. If you're looking for a super simple handheld scanner, HT300, Tough, Walmart, order it online, go to your local store. It does exactly what I wanted to do. Plug it in. What's my code? What's my problem? That's all I wanted, and it does exactly like it says it does. So check one out for yourself if you're in the ballpark for one. I suggest picking one up. We're still working on the OBS project. Just got the motor mounts in today. I'm going to try and get a little paint and stuff on that 4.8. I'm going to keep working on the harness for the LS, get it thinned out. I'm going to try and make a video on that. Then we'll get both them babies snipped together with the OBS harness, get the motor plugged in, and keep chugging along on that project. I hope you guys stick around. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, throw me a comment, throw me a like, whatever. Man, I can't tell you enough how humble I am. I checked the old app the other day, and like 230,000 view hours collectively or something like that. Like, you guys, or 230,000 views in like 9,000 hours or something like that. Like, that's awesome. That is a huge accomplishment for this channel. It's nothing compared to the big name guys, but for me, I appreciate it. I am humbled. I thank each and every one of you subscribers. I'm going to try and keep wrenching, and I'll see you guys next time.